14 tools cater to a variety of tasks, at home, at work, or downrange. One-hand opening design is accessible plus simple to use. Solid stainless steel construction offers durable use over time. Included ballistic nylon sheath keeps the tool ready at a moment's notice. Fully functional toolbox that fits in the palm of your hand. Open with the flick of the wrist. Stainless steel hardware for durability. Multi-Plier 600. Top reviews from the United States. Great and American made. I previously had the suspension NXT that's made in China and they worked pretty good but decided to get these. The one-handed open feature is absolutely fantastic. The lock feature keeps everything secure and the carrying case is pretty handy. The blade came very sharp and you can tell it's well made. So much cheaper than a Leatherman and still made in the US.